In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card as a payment method on Shopify. Setting up your payment options correctly is crucial for the seamless operation of your online store. Let's dive right in and go through this process together. First things first, you need to head over to your Shopify dashboard. If you're not familiar with the dashboard yet, it's essentially the control center for your Shopify store. Once you've logged into your Shopify account, you'll find yourself right there. It's where you can navigate to all the back-end settings of your store. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Settings option. You can find Settings typically towards the bottom of your list options, nestled under other important tabs like Orders and Products. Clicking Settings will take you to a page full of configuration possibilities for your store. Now, in the Settings page, you're going to look for the Payments option. This is where all things related to how you receive money for your products are managed. So go ahead and click there, because that's where we'll do the main setup for your credit card payments. Now, an important note, Shopify supports a wide range of payment providers, but in some countries, Shopify Payments may not be available. If that's the situation you find yourself in, don't worry, there's a way forward. You'll want to scroll down until you see the option to add a payment method. It should be located just below the Shopify Payments section. Once you're at the point where you're ready to add a payment method, you have the ability to search by payment method or provider. This is particularly useful if you have a specific provider in mind, or if you are exploring which one is supported in your region. Type in what you're looking for, and Shopify will show you the relevant options. After selecting the payment provider that suits your needs, you'll find the setup process is fairly straightforward. Shopify provides a guided setup to help you along the way, so you're not left figuring it out alone. Simply follow the easy steps presented on the screen, and you'll have your credit card payment options set up in no time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've enabled your Shopify store to accept credit card payments, making it more accessible to your customers and efficient for your business operations. Remember, having a flexible payment system can significantly enhance your customers' experience. If you run into any issues, Shopify's support team and community are great resources to tap into. Thanks for watching and happy selling.